In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Crunchyroll subscription on Roku. There are currently two methods to cancel. Step 1. Cancel via a Roku device. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Highlight the Crunchyroll channel without opening it. Press the star button to open Options menu. Select Manage Subscriptions and then choose Cancel Subscription or turn off Auto Renew. Then confirm your cancellation. Step 2, another method, is to cancel via the Roku website by going to my.roku.com and signing in with your account credentials. Go to Manage Your Subscriptions and then find the Crunchyroll subscription. Click Manage Subscription and then turn off Auto Renew or Cancel Subscription and confirm. Step 3 is to check other billing sources. If you subscribe through Apple, Google Play, PayPal or any other platforms, you will need to cancel your Crunchyroll subscription via those services instead of through Roku. Step 4. Confirmation and access. You will keep access to premium content until the end of your billing cycle. Look out for a confirmation email about your cancellation. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Removing the Crunchyroll app does not cancel your subscription billing, so you will have to do that separately. Always verify your subscription is built to cancel correctly and contact Roku or Crunchyroll support if you face any issues. And that is how you cancel your Crunchyroll subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.